In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use EveryDollar with a complete walkthrough of this handy budgeting tool. Let's dive right in and simplify your financial planning journey. First, head over to the Ramsey Solutions website, where you'll begin by creating an account. It's a straightforward process requiring just your email address and a password. Once you've entered that information, continue by providing your first name. After entering your first name, move on to input your last name, completing your basic profile setup. You'll then be prompted to click on Continue, which moves you forward in the process. Moments later, you should receive a verification code via email. Check your inbox, grab that verification code, and enter it back on the website to verify your account. With your account verified, you'll find yourself in the Ramsey Solutions dashboard. From the dashboard, keep an eye out for the EveryDollar application. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once there, you'll see a prompt to get started. Click it, and you'll be directed to answer an important question. What's most important to you right now? Here you can select multiple options tailored to your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or perhaps saving for travel or a home. Make your selections, then click Continue. Next up, take a moment to tell EveryDollar more about yourself. Are you renting or do you have a mortgage? Are you married, have kids, or do you own a car? These insights help tailor your budgeting experience. Click Continue once more to move forward. You'll encounter an option to skip for now. This option is there if you aren't quite ready to connect your bank account, which is part of the premium features for automated expense tracking. Instead, click I'll enter my expenses manually throughout the month, keeping it cost-free and straightforward for now. After opting for manual entry, click Continue to advance. Now it's time to input your financial details. Start with your monthly income. You can input multiple sources if applicable, and don't worry, you can always change these later if needed. Following your income entry, continue to the next stage. Now focus on housing and food expenses. Enter the necessary details, remembering you can always return to adjust these numbers if needed. Click Continue, moving you to transportation and personal expenses. After entering this information, proceed with another click on Continue. Lastly, cover your health and insurance expenses and you're almost done. Once you've captured all your expenses, click Finish. Your budgeting setup in EveryDollar is complete. To wrap up, review all your inputted expenses and ensure they align with your financial goals. With EveryDollar, keeping track of your finances is now simpler and more efficient, allowing you to plan confidently for the future.